Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Adi's Experiments. In today's video, I will be talking about something you're sure to have noticed. You yawn when you see another person yawn. Basically, yawning is contagious. So, how can a simple act of yawning actually be contagious? And yes guys, yawning has been scientifically proven to be contagious. This is a phenomenon described by scientists as echo phenomena. It is the automatic imitation of another's words or actions. Contagious yawning is triggered involuntarily when we observe another person yawn. It is a common form of echo phenomena. Scientists so far have discovered that the reason to the contagiousness of yawning is actually from our primitive roots to imitate the actions of others. Their latest findings show that our ability to resist yawning when someone else is near us is limited, and our urge to yawn is increased if we are instructed to resist yawning. But no matter how hard we try to stifle a yawn, it might change how we yawn, but it won't alter our propensity to yawn. Importantly, they have discovered that the urge to yawn, that is, our propensity for contagious yawning, is actually individual to each and every one of us. And did you know, guys, it's not just humans who have a propensity for contagious yawning. Chimpanzees and even dogs do it too. Even though scientists have a vague idea about why yawning is contagious, we still do not exactly know how, on a biological level, we are forced to yawn when we observe another person yawning. Well guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like down below, hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a video. Bye guys!